Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I shall teach you how we can solve exercise 4.2 using formulas. The first formula we will use is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a plus b a square plus b square within bracket. Second formula is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. When we have to calculate a square plus b square, we use first formula, and when we have to calculate ab, then we use the second formula. Question 1, first part, if a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6, then find the value of a square plus b square. Since we have to calculate a square plus b square, so we use this first formula. We know that a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 within bracket a square plus b square. Now replacing the values of a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6 in this formula, we have 10 square 100, 6 square 36. Adding, now dividing both sides by 2, a square plus b square is equal to 68. So that is required. Second part, if a plus b is equal to 5 and a minus b is equal to square root of 17, find the value of ab. Now we have to use this second formula. So we know that 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So a plus b is given that 5, a minus b is square root of 17, 5 square 25, and this square root cancel out with square, and 25 minus 17, which is equal to 8. We have to calculate ab, so dividing both sides by 4, we have left with ab is equal to 2. Now to solve question 2, we use this formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus c square. Again, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now we can take 2 as a common, so this 2 and within bracket ab plus bc plus ca. So we use this form of this formula. If we have given that a square plus b square is equal to 45 and a plus b is equal to minus 1, find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. By using this formula, we have given any two values, which may be a plus b plus c is given and a square plus b square plus c square is given, and we have to calculate a b plus bc plus ca. Or we may have given these a square plus b square plus c square value and a b plus bc plus ca, and we have to calculate a plus b. So in this question we have to find a b plus bc plus ca. We know that this is given formula. Now a plus b plus c is minus 1, a square plus b square plus c square is 45, a b plus bc plus ca is equal to, we have to find, so this we have to calculate. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, this is 45, 2 and within bracket value same as it is, 1 minus 45, this is 1 minus 45 is minus 44, and now dividing both sides by 2, we have left with minus 22. So required value of ab plus bc plus c is equal to minus 2. Now we have question 4, if x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 78 and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 59, find the value of x plus y plus z. Again using this formula, x in form of x plus y. Here a is equal to x, b is equal to y, and z is equal to c. So we can, in similar pattern, we can write this. Replacing the values of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 78. X, y, y, z, z, x is equal to 59. And after simplification, we have 196. Now we have to calculate the value of x, y, x plus y plus z. Just we have to take square root on both sides. When we take square root, we have to take plus minus sign one of the sides. So square root of 196 is equal to 14. Again, another formula: a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab, and a plus b plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b cube. So by using this formula, we will solve the question number 6 and 7, 8, 9. If x plus y is equal to 7, x, y is equal to 12, then find the value of x cube plus y cube. X plus y is equal to 7 and x, y is equal to 12. We take this equation as of 1, taking cube on both sides of equation 1. When we take cube, just using this formula, we can write this: xy is equal to 12, x plus y is equal to 7. After multiplication, we have this result 252, and we have to shift this into right side, and after subtraction we have this required result. Now question 9. Question 7 and 8 you can solve in similar pattern. Question 9. If 5x minus 6y is equal to 13 and xy is equal to 6, then find the value of 125x cube minus 216y cube. 5x minus 6y is equal to 13 and xy is equal to 6. Taking cube on both sides of equation 1. A cube minus 3ab a minus b cube is equal to 2197. So when we take this cube, this is equal to 2197. 5 cube 125 x cube. So when we multiply 5, 3 and 6, 5, 6 30, 33 times 90 xy, and 5x minus 6y is equal to 13. This is equal to 216y cube is equal to 2197. Just replacing the value of xy, which is equal to 6. After multiplication, we have 7020. We shift this value into right side, and this will in positive side. This is negative. When we shift this will be positive. After adding, we have required value 9217. So that is the question number 9.